Hi folks, if you're investing in New Zealand residential property or looking to get started with property investment here in New Zealand, then get over and check out the Property Investor Centre. We specialise in below market value and high cash flow property investment. We have a team of property finders that source, negotiate and supply these types of properties to our members. The Property Investor Centre also operates a unique web-based property mentoring program called e-coaching, with a series of on-demand video training modules specifically designed to maximise your ability to learn and retain information. Being a web-based mentoring program, it's extremely easy to access our course content. We now have e-coaching clients spread right across New Zealand, as well as many X-pat Kiwis currently living abroad but investing back here in New Zealand. So get over to our website for more details. Keep updated with all the latest property news, as well as our very popular blog. While you are there, don't forget to register for free to our property alert emails to get sent our latest hot property deals straight to your inbox. So visit us at propertyinvestorcentre.co.nz or click the link directly below this video.